Lesson 12.
Maybe I'd better show this to Detective Modine.
Huh. The meter ran out. It's fast.
So, they caught you, huh? You can't park here for longer than 2 hours. You broke the law, Ray.
I've never gotten a parking ticket.
You're supposed to put money in the parking meter.
I did. It was fast.
Why didn't you park in the garage under the station?
You're supposed to have a permit. I don't understand. What am I supposed to do with this?
You're the law officer. You're supposed to send $16 to the address on the ticket.
I won't pay it.
Then it says on the ticket that you have to appear in court.
Court? Where are you going?
I have interviews of everyone here. I'm going to look for clues. Okay, let's see the evidence. What were people doing before the wrong tapes went on the air? Why would they sabotage the station?
When the tapes were playing, I was on the air. Before we started, I was going over my script on the set.
Jake asked me to get a map for him in the glove compartment of his car. He told me to look at the map and find the building site for the apartments at the Nature Center. I also had to get the camera. It was in the trunk of my car. My car was parked in the garage, so I didn't return for half an hour. I got back just in time to see Rita's tape.
This is complicated. I need some paper and a pen. I also have to get the notes I took last night. Okay, where was the tape with the singing lesson? Rita, where did you leave the tape?
Oh, I left it on a shelf in the editing room. The shelf was empty. The tape had a label on it. No one could have made a mistake.
What happened then?
Well, Terry and I had a picnic in the park. At first the sun was shining. Then all of a sudden the clouds got very dark. The sky got almost black, and we knew it was going to rain any minute. So we left the park and came back to the station. That's when I saw the tape on the monitor.
So Terry was with you?
Not the whole time. I asked Terry if he could go to the store for me. I needed a small mirror in the makeup room. The mirror I had fell on the ground and broke. He was gone for about an hour.
I know Stephen had nothing to do with this. How about Roger?
Jake is an old friend. He asked me if I wanted a job.
You don't have a job?
I became so successful that I started a small editing company. The company edits programs for all the stations.
Where were you when Rita's tape went on the air?
I was in the editing room. I never saw the tape.
You were in the editing room right before Rita's tape went on the air. Did you see anyone else?
No. No one came in for at least an hour.
Aha! I think I know what happened. Maybe I better show this to Detective Modine.
Jake asked me to get a map for him in the glove compartment of his car.
Glove compartment.
Glove compartment.
At first the sun was shining.
Shine.
Shine. 边看边学。
Well, Terry and I had a picnic in the park. At first the sun was shining. Then all of a sudden the clouds got very dark. The sky got almost black, and we knew it was going to rain any minute.
All of a sudden 常常用在口语里，意思是突然、忽然。请跟读。
All of a sudden, she burst into laughter. Then, all of a sudden, the clouds got very dark.
I became so successful that I started a small editing company. The company edits programs for all the stations.
I became so successful that I started a small editing company.
注意，在这句话里有个特殊的短语 so that， 意思是如此什么什么以至于什么什么。so 后面用形容词或者副词，在口语中 that 通常省略。请跟读下面的句子。
It's so cold that the pond is frozen. She was so exhausted that she couldn't eat dinner. She was so weary that she fell.
要点总结。本课我们学习了2个单词和词组，它们是
Glove compartment. Shine.
学会了一个有用的句型
So that I became so successful that I started a small editing company.
学会了一个短语
All of a sudden. All of a sudden, she burst into laughter.
This is the end of Lesson 12.